Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up and customize quick response on the Huawei Band 10. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that you have paired your Huawei Band 10 to your smartphone through the Huawei Health app. After that, on your smartphone, just open the Huawei Health app, then go to Device. Now under the Connected Devices section, just select Huawei Band 10. Then tap on Quick Replies. Now from here, you will find all the quick responses from here. Now you can change the order of the response by dragging the response from the two bars over here, just like that. And you can remove any response by tapping on the X icon in front of it. Now just select Remove to remove the response from here. And if you want to add a custom response, just tap on Add Reply. Now just enter a quick reply which consists of a maximum of 36 letters. Just like that. Now just tap on OK to enter your custom response. And this is how you can set up and customize quick response on the Huawei Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.